What is up, guys? Today we are working on the Jeep and we are doing the 2x6 box tube rocker panels, tubes, pipes, rock sliders, whatever. And by that I mean 2 days ago I did it. It's done-ish. So that's that. I guess I'll just throw clips in here of it happening and the gong show. It was basically storming, so that was awesome. Guess I should throw out the reasons you would want to do this is in an XJ. It would help stiffen the chassis quite a bit because it's a unibody. They're also like a cheap alternative to rock sliders, and I use it to get rid of the rust. So, a few benefits. Those are already in and done. So yeah, cheap. If they're rotted out rockers, like most are in Northern America, Canada, then cut them out. It's a good way to remove that rust at least. Good time to do cab corners on an MG. So that's that. I also picked up some speakers because the ones that are in there, they're 30 years old and they're shit. So new speakers, rockers are done. Let's get to it. Throw in those clips. If I don't get my stuff, this is it. So thanks for watching. So good Monday. Let's do her. Back on the Jeep. More I look at these, more I like them. Next step, rust removal. So instead of dealing with all of this clearly diseased metal materials, we're gonna go straight to cutting out the solid metals.
Regret coming here.
What the fuck was that?
What?
You look like you're ready to cry. I almost cried for you.
I might have to pull the engine.
So today, we are beginning to making that go away. So instead of working on the bed, that's fucked, we're gonna do the cab, do the first mod anyone ever should do, 2x6 box. So, make that go away, 2x6 in there. The issue, it's the box. I want this to be clean. It's gonna look like we're going for a rugged military mobile look. So this will see off-road, so I don't want to try and do perfection paint work here and use body filler, because when I bounce that off a tree, that's just gonna cave everything in. So I'm thinking the next best option is to just make all that go away. I gotta redo the bottom quarter panels regardless, but for this section, just kind of follow that line across, weld in a new piece, and then put armor on top. So we'll have hardware, rivets or bolts, something around the outside holding the armor on, and we'll just paint that same body color as the rest, but we'll have armor on the box. Don't have a better solution other than brand new box sides, which are very hard to come by and are like a 3-month wait time at least, which will put us dead smack in the beginning of a Canadian winter, and I'm not about that. Basically just spending a ton of time pondering. I don't want to cut anything because I really don't want to ruin it first, but that's what we're looking at. This is the good side too, which is fucking horrendous. But if we're doing that, I'm gonna have to redo the inner liner here, because this is a little bit of structure without that cut and fold method. You kind of just have a whole, oh my god. This just waves, and that's, oh my god. I don't, the more I touch it, the worse it gets. And we're really in the shits now, so cut this line right under the door so we can stick our 2x6 in here, weld it along the bottom and the top. And then back here where we have this inner structure, I cut this out, peeled it up a bit so I can actually weld it here and it'll be structured again. So we're gonna have it come all the way to the back here. So should look pretty clean. So we're using 2x6, 3/16 thick. I'm just notching this out. This can be where the cab reinforcement is at the back. And we're gonna do a bit of bevel at the front. So it's raining now, because why not? We're gonna go ahead and test fit this, see how it looks. Well, now you're able to see kind of what we're aiming for here. So just threw this little angle in there. I think it'll look a little better. Cut, weld, seal. Runs across the bottom. Back here, just gonna get a little, it's got to go in about a 1/2 inch. And then again, close all that up. Still able to get in there. Start welding that structure up a bit. And I'm able to seal it up. Put my little hatch down and should be good to go. More or less 2x6 rocker. It's pretty ugly back here. Got a lot of cleaning up gonna have to do. I have to rebuild this too, because that's, could probably try and weld to that, but it won't do anything. But anyway, that's how she sits, 2x6 up. So just tack weld, and then you beat this lip down a bit, and then you have something to weld on. And then do the bottom. That's that. How hard can it be? Kind of frustrating, once again, get rained out, but it's more or less what it looks like. Top and the rear welded in. Gotta do the bottom, but rain. So tomorrow, other side, and then I don't know. I don't know what we can do next. That's how far she will stick out. Tucks up real nice there. So, rockers don't exist. Had to build my own little bracket and weld it in. Things are going great. Cab corner's fucked. Shocker. And a new rocker. That goes in here. And then weld. If the weather gets you down or car's frustrating, just remember, it could always be worse. You could be shingling your house and it could just start dumping on you. That being said, this bullshit. It's bullshit.